the psychology of DevOps. How people, not just technologies, work. When we talk about DevOps, the first things that come to mind are tools, processes, and technologies. But the true foundation of this methodology's success lies in people. Their motivation, trust, and sense of accountability determine how effectively teams operate. Let's explore the key psychological aspects that make DevOps more than just a set of technical practices. Motivation. Inspiration from within and without. Imagine an engineer tackling a complex problem with excitement in their eyes. What drives them? It all comes down to two types of motivation. Intrinsic motivation, personal growth, the joy of problem solving, and the satisfaction of achieving goals. This drives a person when they strive to improve for their own sake. Extrinsic motivation, recognition, rewards, and career opportunities. Who doesn't love having their efforts acknowledged? DevOps fosters a culture where everyone feels their contribution matters. Teams are given the freedom and support to solve tasks independently, and this sense of autonomy enhances engagement and satisfaction. Trust, the glue that holds it all together. Without trust, any team turns into a fragmented group of specialists afraid to make mistakes. DevOps builds trust on three main pillars. Transparency. Everyone knows what's happening and has access to the necessary information. No secrets. Psychological safety. Made a mistake? No problem. The key is to learn from it. Such an environment encourages people to share ideas without fear of judgment. Reliability. If someone takes on a task, the team knows they'll get it done. Where trust exists, bold ideas flourish, and innovation becomes a part of daily life. Accountability. Succeeding together. DevOps breaks down old barriers between development and operations teams. Instead of dividing tasks, they share accountability, a shared goal. Everyone works towards success, whether it's a seamless release or resolving an incident. A blameless culture. Mistakes aren't about finding someone to blame, but opportunities to improve. This encourages teams to experiment without fear. Cognitive biases. Traps of the mind. As humans, we sometimes fall into the traps of our own thinking. Confirmation bias. We notice only the information that supports our beliefs, potentially overlooking important details. Anchoring bias. The first piece of information we hear can heavily influence our decisions. Availability heuristic. We overestimate the importance of information that is readily available. DevOps addresses these biases through team diversity, structured decision-making approaches, and continuous learning. Growth and continuous improvement. Moving forward always, the foundation of DevOps lies in the constant pursuit of improvement. This isn't possible without two key elements: a growth mindset. Mistakes aren't failures, but stepping stones. Teams learn, experiment, and grow. Kaizen. The Japanese concept of Kaizen, continuous improvement, emphasizes making small, incremental changes to achieve significant progress over time. This approach ensures that teams never stop evolving. Psychological safety. The bedrock of innovation. A safe environment isn't just about physical conditions, but also emotional comfort, openness, and support. Teams hold honest discussions, learn from mistakes, and move forward without fear of judgment. Efficiency. When people feel safe, they work more effectively and propose creative solutions. Conclusion. The human approach to DevOps success. Since I can't add a link in the description yet, please head over to my Medium through the link in the profile. There, you'll find articles, code examples, and more detailed explanations of many topics we touch on here. I'd really appreciate your comments, likes, and subscriptions. Meow.